Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nioka. Today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own nuggets, so you don't have to go to all those fast food restaurants to buy nuggets anymore, because you don't really know what you're putting in their nuggets, so it's good that you can make your own. So guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do that today. All right, so guys, thank you so much for all the support that you have been showing me. I already passed 200 subscribers. Thank you guys. Continue to share my video, liking, commenting guys. So let's get straight to the video. This is what we're working with today. In here I have 2 pieces of chicken breast. Guys, when you're making chicken nuggets, you can literally use any part of the chicken that you want, as long as there's no bone in it. I know that chicken breast is like the most expensive part of the chicken, so what I would suggest is you could use chicken thighs, but just remove the bones, or you can buy boneless chicken thighs, anyone that's better, or you could just work with chicken breast. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be pounding this chicken breast with my meat mallet, or if you have a meat grinder, be my guest, go ahead and grind that because it's much easier. All right, so I'm just gonna get my cutting board and a Ziploc bag because this is much easier and cleaner. So I'll just put it in the bag like this. Oh guys, you want to slit the chicken breast in half. Just slit it down the middle, because sometimes the chicken breast is big. Some chicken breast is bigger than some, so you can or thicker. Some chicken breast is thicker, so you can just slit it down the middle, and then you just put it in the bag. Lay it flat in the bag, just like so. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, you can always use plastic wrap, but I think the Ziploc bag would be cleaner, would be neat, less messier. I'm just trying to fit everything in there, so I'm just gonna seal this and let's get pounding. So guys, you're gonna just pound this until it's soft, like it's ripped apart. So you just pound it until it's pounded. So I'm gonna show you exactly how it should look afterward. Guys, this is a workout, I'm telling you. Okay guys, this is a workout. So if you have a meat grinder, please use it. All right, so guys, this is how the chicken breast should look. You see, it's torn apart, like just like this. It should look like that. All right, so I'm just gonna remove this from the bag and I'll put it back in the bowl. Now I have the chicken breast all squished and mashed, so it should look something like this when you're done. Alright, I'll be adding my seasoning. In this bowl I have some salt and some all-purpose seasoning. I mean, you can use any type of seasoning that you want, so you can make your nuggets as how you want. If you want to put spicy seasoning on it, you can put hot sauce, anything you want to put in there you can, and you just take your time and like make sure all the seasoning goes inside. This is a messy job, so if you don't want your hands to get messy, you can use a gloves. All right guys, so this is how it looks. You can put this in the fridge cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for a while. But right now I'm just gonna fry mine right now because of time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fry these. So let me get everything else ready and I'll show you that process. These are the ingredients that we have. This is the final step. So I have my chicken here. It's grinded or pound and seasoned. I have the egg. I added some salt and some seasoning to the egg. I had seasoning to the breadcrumbs and also seasoning to the flour. If you don't want to put seasoning in everything, you don't have to, since you already seasoned the chicken. All right, so what I'll be doing next is just making the nuggets, right? So you can make them any size that you want or any shape that you want. So I'm gonna try my best to shape it. I'm trying to get like a round shape, or I'll do them. I'm trying to get a round shape. Let's see how best I can get this round shape. So yes guys, so this is what I got. It's a bit round. First you want to dip it in the flour. Then you're going to dip it in the egg. Be gentle with it, please guys, be gentle. Then finally we're going to dip it in the breadcrumbs. All right. And this is how my nugget looks. You don't want it too round like a ball. You want it to be a little bit flat, so that when you put it in the oil to fry, it doesn't take too long to fry. All right, so I'm gonna do a couple more of these and then we can get to frying these. Alright guys, so these are my nuggets and we're gonna be frying them right now. I'm just getting the oil ready and heated so I can fry these. Now guys, at this state you can always put these in the freezer. You can freeze them. They can stay up to a month or two in the freezer. So if you have kids and you always want to have nuggets, chicken nuggets on hand for them, or at hand for them, you can put these in the freezer, and when you're ready you just pull them out and fry them or even bake them. But today I'm going to be frying mine, so let's get straight to that. Alright guys, so my oil is hot and ready. I'll be adding the nuggets in. While they're just frying, you just keep an eye on them and make sure you keep on turning them because you don't want them to burn. All right, so, and these smell so good guys. They smell so good, and I definitely recommend this because it's better than just buying some nuggets at the fast food restaurant, because you know exactly what you put into it, you know. So yeah, and you just let it stay there. Don't let don't put the stove on high because you don't want them to burn and then the middle is raw. So you just take your time, keep it on a medium heat, and just let them take their time and fry. All right guys, so the nuggets are done. I'm gonna be just taking them out of the oil and we're gonna put them on our cooling rack. so all the excess oil can drain off. All right, guys, these are gonna be so delicious. Alright guys, so these are the nuggets. I'm gonna be plating these and then I'm gonna be tasting them. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Guys, these nuggets, they smell wonderful and they look good, so I'm gonna give it a taste just to see how it is for myself. Wow, this is nice and crunchy, because the breadcrumbs give it that nice crunchy texture outside, and then it's so tender and soft inside with the chicken breast. Guys, I want to break it so you can see how it looks inside. You see, it's so tender. It looks like real chicken, like at the chicken nuggets that I eat at the fast food restaurant. I mean, they taste different. I mean, I would prefer this one because I know exactly what I put into it, and it's really good. I would definitely recommend anyone to make their own nuggets. Like, guys, you would definitely won't regret it, and it's good that you can make a lot and then you just put it in the freezer so you can have them, so whenever you're ready you just take them out, fry them, or even bake them. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please try it, and whenever you try, remember, send me pictures on Instagram. That's hermosa_Nioka, guys. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.